Today we will discuss on part 1 Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution has 22 parts. Part 1 relates to Article 1 to 4, the union of its territories. It deals with the union and its territories. Article 1. Let's we discuss the Article 1. What Article 1 says? Article 1 says Indian official name India, that is Bharat. Name and the union of the territories. Territories of Indian includes states, union territories, acquired territories. Indian states is union of the states, not a federation like America. America states has the power to secede from the country. India states has no such powers to secede from the country. So Indian states union of the states, not a federation. Article 1 ensure territory unity and integrity of India. Article 2 Article 2 admission and establishment and of new states. Parliament, Indian Constitution has given the power to the Parliament that Parliament emit new states or establishment new statements. Article 3 very important for exam purpose. Please discuss it with your friends, with your minds. Let's we take it very seriously. Article 3 has the power the Parliament to make a states. I formation of new states, alteration of existing states. Parliament can point 1 create a new state. Parliament has the power to create a new state. Parliament has power increase or decrease of area of any states. Parliament has the power alter boundaries of any states, change the name of any states and merge or separate territories. Article 4 law made under Article 2 and Article 3, not Constitution Amendment. Constitutional Amendment Article 368. In USA, a federal form of government, power is divided between the federal central government and the state government. Indian in starting has 14 states, but due to some cultural and diversity, India formed new states by time. In brief, we discuss about these states. First, Indian states formed by linguistic form Andhra Pradesh 1953. It carved out of Madras states. In 1960, Maharashtra and Gujarat formed from Bombay. These two new states carved out from Bombay. In 1966, Haryana created from Punjab. 1972 create three new states, Manipur and Tripura. both both were the union territories, and in 1972 they were elevated to the states. And in 1972 Meghalaya carved out from the Assam. 1975 Sikkim became the Indian 22 states. Mizoram in 1987 Mizoram carved elevated union territory to states. Goa 1987 union territory to states. And in year 2000 three new states formed from UP, Uttarakhand from UP, Jharkhand from Bihar, and Chhattisgarh from Madhya Pradesh. In 2014 Telangana carved out from Andhra Pradesh. Let we discuss about Jammu and Kashmir. Before 15 August 2019, Jammu and Kashmir was the states of India. But after this, it became two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So these states are formed time to time. They are need and so we need that how states makes and how they carved out from the other states in linguistic forms, in like Haryana, like Arunachal, like Mizoram, Goa elevated from union territory to states. So we read this chapter very cautiously because Article 3 is very important of Indian constitutions. So we discuss about later on Indian citizenship, which deals Article 5 to 11 and leads to part 2 of the Indian Constitution. Thank you.